something completely different.
There is this frickin' mutant right here.
Happy Hot Topic!
Thank you, Lenny. A former federal prosecutor is facing serious charges as the result of a stabbing incident on the Howard Franklin Bridge in 2023.
That was weird, man. Like, why would you get into a fight in the Howard Franklin? Why would you think that's a good idea? Probably because you're a sociopath.
Remember the video? We've seen it a few times now. The former prosecutor's attorneys say the charges should be thrown out based on the state's stand your ground law.
Oh, yeah, getting out of a car in the middle of traffic really stands your ground. Stand your ground's the new free speech. No one even knows what it friggin' means.
News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson live at the Pinellas Justice Center with more on
What up, Jeff?
this. He's making the pitch. I'm not sure how it's going though, Jeff. It's been taking a while, this hearing.
Good evening, Keith. Well, the question for the judge in this case is, did this former federal prosecutor have a legitimate fear for his life?
But you can't get out of a car and stab someone. I mean, unless you're the same person that thinks what Luigi Mangione did is right, then maybe I'm wrong.
On the day that he stabbed an unarmed man on the Howard Franklin Bridge, or was this a case of road rage?
A little bit of both.
Cell phone video shows then 35-year-old former federal prosecutor Patrick Scruggs,
loser,
wearing gym shorts and a T-shirt, stabbing a
beating the crap out of a
man again and again.
Why would you think that's a good idea? I mean, maybe you got some undiagnosed mental health issue, but why would you go, it's a good idea?
On Friday, Scruggs testified he stabbed the man after his car was hit.
He hit my car, and it was really jarring.
So he hit your car. We've all been in the car crashes. We didn't stab people, you dummy.
And the next thing I knew, I could hear it sounded like crunching metal.
Scruggs claims he pulled out his knife to break the man's window.
Why would you need to break the window, though?
To prevent him from driving off and harming others.
Maybe pop his tire or something.
I just didn't want him to drive the car.
This is like that sociopathic prosecutor energy where they think they can get away with anything.
Anymore. I just wanted, it was not, this man was not in any shape to be driving a vehicle.
Blake.
You talking about yourself? Freaking mutant.
Sharp is the man Scruggs stabbed. He says he passed out in his car because of a medical condition.
Realize you get stabbed because of that?
Sharp defiantly pushed back against Scruggs' attorneys as he testified.
Can you imagine being an attorney for Scruggs? You're a loser.
Scruggs says he stabbed Sharp because he was trapped between cars and in fear of his life. But the cell phone video shows Scruggs walking away. Then he comes back to stab Sharp again. The state says Scruggs had no reason to stab Sharp.
There was none, not even one.
Did he have a weapon in his hand? No, he did not have a weapon in his hand. Did he have a weapon in the car? No, he did not have a weapon in the car.
All right, dang, Scruggs. Just like this next guy, you'll always be remembered as a loser.
Happy hour. Happy hour.
It's time for Hoppe in the morning.
RyanHoppeRadio.com.
Happy hour will be right back.
Whenever we're going outside, all I smell is poop.
In the nuts, and we'll call it a day.